Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your MG ZS EV. First, identify the two main charging methods available for your vehicle. Next, locate the charging port, typically found on the front grille. Then, ensure your charging cable is compatible and connect it firmly. Finally, observe the dashboard or charger indicators to confirm charging has begun. AC charging is perfect for daily use, whether at home or public stations. For this, you'll use a Type 2 connector. At home, you can plug into a standard wall socket for slower charging or a dedicated wall box for faster speeds. Public AC chargers are also common, offering convenient top-ups while you're out. When you need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best option. This method uses a CCS2 connector and delivers power much faster than AC charging. You'll typically find these high-power chargers at service stations or dedicated charging hubs. Always double-check that the charger is compatible with your MG ZS EV before connecting. To keep your MG ZS EV's battery healthy, try to charge it regularly rather than letting it drain completely. It's also beneficial to avoid consistently charging to 100%, especially for daily use. Always disconnect your cable safely and inspect it for any damage before and after each charge to ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.